people. Excuse my dirty sink. This right here is Huntsville, Alabama water test number 2. I'll show y'all this. This is my dog bowl for the record. Y'all wonder why my bowl's so nasty. All right. Y'all see as the water fills up, some kind of substance in there. I've had people tell me it's cleaning supplies and all this other type of shit, but I'm not with all that. All right. Now, this is cold water, people. Cold water. Why does cold water have steam on it? Y'all see that? Can y'all see that in the camera? I don't know if I can see that in the camera. As it dissipates, it kicks off a steam. It kicks off a steam as it dissipates. And, what? Come here, girl. My dogs will not drink it. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here, mama. Sugar. Here, get some water. Here. Look, she don't even want that shit. Look. Here. Want the water? You had the water all night. Come on. Bruce, come here. Here. Come here, Bruce. Here. Come here. Come here, Bruce. Come here. Come here. They ain't had no water all night. A normal dog tastes water like, look at it. They run straight to their doghouse. Something is not right about the water in Huntsville, Alabama, people. Please find out what the fuck's going on. I'm about to.